Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Omega National Products OGT4049 Tambour door hardware and tracks, frameless application, 30-inch maximum slat length, white. So basically all this is going to be something that you would use for a Tambour door system that you are building. These are just the side tracks is all it is. Obviously your well, maybe not obvious. This is certainly the opening, let's say in the kitchen. My kitchen has one of these. Okay, so right from down here I'm going to lift up my Tambour board. It's obviously going to go through okay. That's how that's going to work, obviously. You'll be able to attach it, obviously, to your sidewall using the mounting points that are provided, some basic dimensional properties, overall width or depth, I suppose, about 7 inch, 7 1/8, maybe. Overall height, looks like it's about 17.5 inch or so. When you buy one, you're buying a pair of these, so you're going to get one each. There's a left, there's a right. And it weighs about 0.49 pound. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page. Let's switch to the screen view and let's point that out. If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Now, let's get back to it. Alright, here's our link to the manufacturer's page, and let's take a closer look at some images that we have. Showing the tracks. The backside. There you go. That'll just allow you to see that. Extended description information is here. Frameless style tracks. Maximum tambour size is a slat length of 30 inch. Designed for tambour thickness up to 3/16. Dimensions, white in color. Prices for one set. Manufacturer's information. There's a link to a catalog here. Let's take a look at that. This is just going to be a section out of the full line catalog that will have related items. I don't see where these corbels have a lot to do with these tracks directly, except that there's probably tambour material in here. May or may not be. There we go. Yeah, tambour board material is here. That's where that comes in. You can review that. There's a link below this video as seen here to the manufacturer's page, and from there, once you click on that, you can pull up not only all of the Omega National products that we sell by means of that horizontal navigation, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the most current price list. Let's wrap up this video on camera. If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Now, let's get back to it. In conclusion, if you have any questions on the Omega National Products OGT4049 Tambour door track system or any other Omega National product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.